everybody. I am here with Sean. Say hello.
Hello.
What's up, Sean?
Good.
Good. Let me just do something real quick. There. Anyway, so today I'm here with a really cool Lego review. This is Sean's car. It has 2 spring-loaded missiles. You push them sideways to fire. There's Sean.
Hello.
And there's the controls for it. Come here, Sean. And the main feature is how it can do this. Comes off as a jet. Isn't that cool? Now, and you can put it back like this. Hold on. There. And Sean, what do you think of your Lego car?
It's good.
Yeah? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So, I will see you guys later in the
Bye.
next video. See you later.
Bye.